Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is brilliant, an A2 level adjective, meaning very bright or smart. Now, when we say something is brilliant, we mean it's exceptionally clever or intelligent, or it can also mean that something is very bright like a light. For example, that was a brilliant idea, or the sun is brilliant today. Let's look at some synonyms. Words like clever, smart, and bright can also be used. We could say she's a clever student, or he is a smart young man, or her bright smile lit up the room. Now for antonyms, words with opposite meanings. We have words like dull, stupid, or unintelligent. For instance, the movie was quite dull, or that was a stupid mistake, or his behavior was quite unintelligent. How can we use brilliant in everyday life? Well, you might say to a friend, that was a brilliant performance after they finished singing or playing a game. You could comment on a new invention, saying that's a brilliant innovation. We often use it to describe things that impress us with their intelligence or skill. Here are more sentence examples. She gave a brilliant presentation at work. The solution to the problem was quite brilliant. The stars in the sky look brilliant tonight. He had a brilliant understanding of the topic. To recap, brilliant means very bright or smart, similar to clever, smart and bright, and opposite to dull, stupid or unintelligent. Thank you so much for joining me on this learning journey. Please be sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence about brilliant and share it in the comments below the video. I look forward to reading them. Until next time, keep exploring words.